Hello friends, Kuldeep here from Deep Un System. So today topic is very trending topic and we will talk about AI like artificial intelligence tools that is Gemini and this is product of Google. So nowadays the AI tools is going around and we all using the AI tools. So we will talk about how it works, and just stay on the video. It's a amazing tools. Okay. So just for example, with the help of Gemini, you can do a lot of stuff. Like in the Google, we search something and we find the result. The same on the YouTube, but with the help of the Google Gemini AI tools, you can get sometimes accurate more than Google search result. And so we can start this and definitely it will help you a lot. So just for example, let me show you something like how to write a good email. Just within a second you will get a result with very accurate, right? You can see how to write correct email and the great email and the best email. So you can see the result here. It's showing a number of things here with very accuracy. So this is the power of Google Gemini, and this is the free tool, so everybody can use this. Just gemini.google.com slash app. This is the link, and you can start use with your Gmail account. You know, and it's a completely free. You can try also the paid version. You can see here in the top right, try Gemini Advanced, and some more features you will get. Right now we are getting only the free version. I think it's enough for starting, right? And yeah, it's amazing tools, and it's more accurate and sometime more than YouTube when you need to search anything. So it will help you a lot, the personal level, professional level, and the business level and job level. So just try to ask anything with Gemini and you will get accurate results. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Deep Wisdom. Thank you guys.